This is a small tutorial on reading race results from the RC Result Analyzer tool for Android. This tutorial assumes that you already have results downloaded to your Android device as per the other tutorials provided to populate race results onto your Android device. The first screen of the RC Result Analyzer tool has quite a few drop-down boxes. First, you want to select the race that you wish to view. Once the race is selected, the tool will automatically load all of the possible rounds. You must then select a round. Once a round is selected, your class drop-down list will be populated automatically. You then need to select a class. Once you have selected a class, you can then select any racer that raced in that class. Once the racer is selected, that racer's results will be loaded to the screen. The data loaded to the screen include name, class, round, place in heat, total laps in time, fastest lap, slowest lap, top 5, top 10, top 15, top 20, the race average, and the standard deviation, which can be used as a consistency. We are now going to repeat the above steps, but we are going to select round 3 instead of round 2. I wish to compare the results from my second and third round of this race. I can easily compare the two rounds visually. I can also view some data on a graph. The graphs can be viewed in portrait or landscape, however landscape is highly recommended. It is much easier to read the graphs in landscape mode. You can also zoom in and zoom out on these graphs. The graphs are powered by a chart engine. The lap graph shows the laps from fastest to slowest from right to left. In this example, my race results from round 2 is the blue line, while the results from round 3 is the yellow line. I can clearly see that my car was much faster in round 3 because the yellow line is lower on the graph, which would represent a faster lap time. From this data, I can easily see that the setup changes I made between round 2 and round 3 seem to have worked. I can also view a pace graph comparing these two rounds. The pace graph shows the pace per lap in the order of laps completed. Round 2 is the blue line, while round 3 is the yellow line. I can clearly see that round 3 I am on a faster pace than round 2 because the yellow line is always above the blue line, showing that round 3 always had a faster pace, which means I was either doing more laps or having a less overall time. Thank you for watching the reading results from the RC Result Analyzer tool tutorial.